In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the 5 percenters to MetaTrader 5. So you have two options. You can either first go to the website, which is the fivers.com, and then over here, you want to scroll down until you see over here this button where it says the best spreads in the industry, see for yourself, and then you have your MT5 logins over here. So you want to click Open MT5. And then in here, you want to connect your account with your credentials. So just click on connect to account, or you can open a real one over here as well. And then once you do that, click on connect to account and you're good to go. But if you want to use the app, what you can do is open up the MT5 app, tap on file, top left, and then click on open an account. And then look for 5% online. So 5% online, there we go. And click on find your company. It's gonna pop up over here. Click on that, click on next. And then over here, again, you can open an account or just connect with an existing trade account. Over here, you'll simply have to type in your login and password. It's not the same as when you're logging in to your actual account online. It's going to be a separate MT5 login you're going to receive whenever you essentially create your account. And then over here, you'll be able to just select which one you have, so the server, either real or experience. And after you do this, click on finish and you'll successfully connect fivers or 5 percenters to MetaTrader 5. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.